Hello, welcome to the Sureway English PTE question of the day. Every day we bring for you a new PTE video to help you practice and achieve a high score in your exam. Don't forget to check out our website, surewayenglish.com, and sign up for a free PTE course and many other PTE resources. Let's begin with today's video.
In an 1898 advertising poster, a man made of rubber rings hoists a giant champagne coupe full of broken glass and nails, garnished with a horseshoe. Michelin tires, the ad implied, were tough enough to digest everything the road had to offer. Advertising metaphor was a bit heavy-handed in 1898, but the idea of eating up the road as delivered by that rotund rubber spokesman, formerly known as bibendum, would become the guiding principle of that fledgling French rubber company. And while durable tires made them money, another marketing gimmick would change the world of dining. In 1900, brothers Edouard and André Michelin released the first Guide Michelin. To the 3,000 or so motorists in France who bought their tires, they handed a slim book containing maps, basic maintenance instructions, and lists of mechanics, petrol stations, hotels, and, as information no more vital than the nearest gas pump, suggestions for restaurants along the routes. They were keen to make motoring a recreational hobby for the few well-to-do who actually owned cars, and realized that giving them places to go and advice on getting there would result in more wear and the occasional hobnail puncture on their flagship products. France was the perfect place to do this. Barely a century earlier, the first modern restaurants, which featured individual tables and a menu of choices, rather than communal tables serving whatever a tavern owner had handy, had popped up in Paris.
The lecture is about the origin of Guide Michelin. After the introduction of Michelin tires, the company created the Guide Michelin, which was handed over to people who bought the Michelin tires. The idea was to position motoring as a hobby and encourage people to go out by giving them these guides. France was the ideal place to launch these guides as the modern restaurants had already come up in Paris.
Well done! Please take a minute and subscribe to the channel. Also, like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. We will see you tomorrow with another video. All the best. Bye.